Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is day 17 of solving daily Geeks for Geeks problems. Let us try what today's problem is. So the today's problem is delete without head pointer. So it is asked in Amazon, Microsoft and many more companies. So it is related to linked list. Let us try to solve this problem. So the problem says that you're given a node del node of a single linked list where you have to delete a value of the given node from the linked list, but you're not given the head of the linked list, which means the head of linked list is not provided to you, but the node you have to delete is already given to you. And by deleting, what they mean is the value of the given node should not exist in the linked list. You have to remove the value. The number of nodes in the linked list should decrease by 1. You have to remove that node also. And all the nodes before and after the del node should be in the same order. So you need not to change the order of linked list. Note what we have given there is multiple nodes can have same values as del node, but you must only remove the node whose pointer is given to you. So you need not to remove multiple nodes from the given linked list. You just have to remove the given node which is given to you. It is guaranteed that there exists a node with the value to the del node value, and it will not be the last node, because in last node we have to handle other cases also. So the given linked list is 1 and 1 which is linked to 2. So we have to delete 1. So what will left in our linked list is 2. After deleting 1 from the linked list, we have remaining nodes as 2. Similarly here, if we delete 20, so what will be left? 10, 4 and 30 will be left in my linked list. So I have to do it in O of 1 time complexity, and let us try to solve this problem. So it's very easy. First I will, what I will do is I will change the value of my node, which will be del node value, and here we are using data. So data will be equals to del node next data. Okay, so I'm storing the data of del node next to my pointer. You can say here if given is 10, 20, 30, 40, and if I have to delete 20, so I'm storing 30 in my del node data. Then what I'm doing is I'm also moving my pointer ahead. So del node next will be equals to del node next and next. Okay, so what this point will do is, if I have to delete this, so I'm storing 30 here, and del node ka next means 30. So now 30 will store the address of del node next ka next, which will be equals to 40. So remaining will be 10, 30, 40 in my given array. So this will be dropped from the array. So let us compile it and run it. It is accepted. Now let's just submit this code. Okay, we have completed today's problem of the day, and I hope the solution is clear to you. And if you have any problem, leave a comment, like my video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.